So we are back at the yard just to do some more measurements so we can get our floor plan all sorted out on Kallie's birthday. So if I want to come for a walk, this little guy should have had a nap about 2 hours ago. Sorry, Mac. So our original plan was to flip that seat around that way so it faces there and then have a table and stuff, but it just really encroaches on the space a lot. So we are thinking we will somehow get this engineered to have a seat there, not have that back seat and just have the two kids seats.
Yes, please.
Otherwise it's like a some of the audio.
Oh, sweet. Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
Half meters to
550 to your driver's step.
yeah the seat.
It's out.
Yeah, no.
Yes.
Is the floor lava?
No, we can't touch on the floor because it's a diamond. Everyone's trying to watch me. Daddy! Daddy!
What are you doing, Kallie?
Drawing. That's really what I want.
What? $50. So after several days and nights of, well, it's been
It's been like 5 hours. Yeah.
of trying to sort out a floor plan that works. We've pretty much got it sussed now. Kallie came up with a really good floor plan.
Thank you.
So we will show you that in a minute. But yeah, we were struggling because nothing was working quite right.
No, it was working. Everything we could have working in all these different variations. The only thing that wasn't working for us was the wheel arches.
Yeah.
But I think we're just gonna make do with.
I think we've got it pretty good now.
Yeah, we're just gonna make do with them.
So originally we were like, oh, we want to make something like completely different, and actually it is actually now. It's completely different.
So originally we wanted to reinvent the wheel pretty much.
Yeah.
With our designs, we went like straight into.
We were trying to build it like it was a full-size bus too.
Full-size house. And
we were like, yeah, we've got so much extra room now.
So I then went back to standard Nellie's design and just added a bathroom in and an open floor space in. So I went back to Nellie's design because it has worked for us for the last 2.5 years. We have loved it.
Yeah, and now we've just, Kallie's factored in the width, and I think that's what's made the difference.
So yeah, I had on here.
Hang on, so this was our first design.
No, this is not the first design. This is first design with additions. So the bathroom has been here, then it's been here, and then it's been put back here. And then that originally was not there. And this was open space, and this is open space. So this is Nelly pretty much. This is Nelly 2.0. So the fridge has been here and it's been here. So this is pretty much just the same bench space as Nelly, the same fridge, add on a bathroom, queen bed, so a little bit bigger than Nelly, a 2-meter couch, exactly the same as Nelly. This time a table that is not a pull-out table. I was sick of having like barbecue sauce on my quilt cover from the kids, and this time, because we've got the extra length, there was going to be an open floor space for the kids to play. Or I was going to add some, depending if we needed it, more space for storage. I was going to consider putting 400 deep kitchen buffet in there.
I would have said no to that.
Oh, well, Dill says no. So I don't always run things through Dill. Neither does he run things through me.
Anyway, this is our current.
This is my current floor plan. So we've got queen bed. Somewhere along here we've got a bookcase. So we've got a bookcase here. We've got a queen bed here. We've got 2 sets of drawers here. Wow, fancy. We've got an open floor space here. We've got overheads through here. Now, because we've got a wheel arch sitting within this space here, actually it's 600 deep. That's the wheel arch right there. We've got a wheel arch in here, and we've got the same wheel arch over here as well, through there. So what I've gone and done is these we can get away with. The wheel arch can be under the fridge. We'll just lift the fridge up a bit higher. The wheel arch in the bathroom is giving me, it's really annoying me, but we'll make do. We'll figure something out. We can still shower over here.
Okay, just the floor plan now.
Oh, and now the floor plan. So we've put a step in because of this wheel arch, and we're going to lift the floor up into here. So this is the open space. So this open space I had here has been moved to here, and it's going to be a little landing. And then down here we've got our 2-meter couch. We have got our fridge down this end. We have our double burner. We have our coffee machine. We have our sink. We've got our table. And we've still got 700-meter width through there with the table. There's a bit smaller through here, but this table is going to be movable back and forth, so you can make do. And yeah, like, the bathroom's annoying me, but I'm happy with the way everything else is looking.
I think the bathroom's fine.
Yeah, Dylan thinks the bathroom's fine. I don't, but that's cool. I don't really care for a bathroom, so I rather shower outside. But yeah. Oh, should I tell him about Lincoln's bed? What?
Yeah, tell him about Lincoln's bed.
Alright, so I've had this plan since like before we even brought the bus. I've had it for any bus next. I even considered it in Nelly as well. We've got 3 bedding options for the 2 boys.
What 3 bedding options?
I've got option 1, option 2, or option 3.
Well, tell them the one that's good.
But I forgot.
That you told me about.
Oh yeah, okay. So
Just Lincoln's bed.
here's the kids' seats in here. There's Dylan's seat here. My seat maybe here. We'll figure that out. And then you walk in here in the stairs. And what I'm thinking above the driving cab area is Lincoln having a bunk bed up the top here. It's like, that is what I want. But I haven't done the measurements yet to see if it will work.
We'll make it work.
But we're going to
We've
make it
decided
work.
we're going to make it work.
We'll make it work. I've decided. I think it's really important for him now that he has his space. Like, he has a little space. He needs somewhere where he can be in his own little world. I think it's going to be a really important space moving forward in this build for us. So like, you can see my horrible 3D. He's going to enter here, up here, head there. We're going to have timber slats so he doesn't roll out of bed. And then maybe a bookcase at the feet of his bed, because it's going to be a pretty long bed. Because right now, I think we've got 500 we've got about that much gap for him to sleep in, not including the mattress. So we're thinking if we can somehow maybe put it on pulleys so it can be moved down at night time and locked, or during the day so he can chill, and pulleyed up and locked all other times. I'm just thinking, imagine if we're driving and it falls down and it hits your head.
This is what I'm married to.
So that's Lincoln's sleeping setup, and then Zephyr's sleeping setup's going to be the old school.
Straight back to
Huh? What?
no,
What's wrong?
no. Zephyr's sleeping on the couch.
Yeah, it's going to be the old school like pull out
Yeah.
couch, but this time it's going to be like 2 meters long and maybe 1200 deep, like width. So an
It's
adult
gonna be a lot bigger.
The adult could sleep on our old one, but it's going to be a real nice comfy area, and then it's going to be like a cool little space too. Yeah.
Okay, well that's enough for tonight.
Yeah,
That's it. Let's see if it changes.
I won't sleep tonight. Every night so far, if I've done drawings, I just don't sleep. My brain has been coming up with new plans as I'm sleeping. So,
Okay, say goodnight.
night.